Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauryne if this is your first time watching my content. And in today's video, I'm going to be dyeing this unit from WowAfrican to this beautiful copper red color. I was inspired by the YouTuber Arnell and she had dyed her hair a similar color over the summer, and then Zendaya did it, so I really had a desire to try to get my hair to this color. So to start off, I'm going to be taking this unit. I'll be sure to list what exact unit this is down below, but I'm going to take this unit and proceed to do the watercolor method of dyeing it. I have these two dyes from Adore. It's in the shade Mahogany and Rich Amber. I got these off Amazon, so I'll be sure to list them down below. And so I used one of each color, and I used the full bottle of each color, and I was sure to mix it in with hot water, and then I let the wig sit in the mixture for about half an hour, and then I took it out, washed it, deconditioned it, and then I was left with this really nice burgundy color, but that wasn't necessarily the color I was going for. I wanted it to be a more obvious auburn color. So yeah, as you can see, this is the dark burgundy color that it is. So Arnell, actually in her video, she actually bleached the hair first before she went in with the red, and I should have did that, but I was scared that it would be too light, because she is a few shades lighter than me. I was scared that if I bleached the wig first, it would be too bright on me. But yeah, I ended up lifting it anyway. So after seeing the color I got, I went to Sally's and I got a packet of Quick Blue and 40 volume developer, made the mixture up, and then I applied it on my wig. I let it process for an hour. I lost that footage, so I'm sorry that you guys don't get to see that, but this is the result of me putting the Quick Blue and the Quick Blue mixture on the unit. So I'm styling it right now. I'm putting a few wand curls in it to make it really curly and full of volume. So this is the final look. I really love the way it turned out. I get so many compliments on this hair color. It's definitely out of my comfort zone. I've never done red hair before, but I really like it. So after I styled my wig, I proceeded to try to tack it down. Right here I'm using Got To Be Freeze spray. I usually wear my units glueless because it's just easier for me. Usually don't have time for tacking the whole unit down, and the ear tabs are usually the hardest for me, but I want to practice and get better at doing that so I can have more options when it comes to styling. But yeah, after that you see me separating the curls to, you know, get the hair bigger. I'm just playing with it. But yeah, I had a lot of fun. I really enjoyed this color. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm not a hairstylist by any means. I'm just girl likes experimenting with hair and color. So yeah, this was a lot of fun. So I hope you guys found this useful, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Also, I follow WowAfrican on Instagram, and they're doing a sale for Thanksgiving and Black Friday, so I'll be sure to list down the sale that they're having.